A Hawthorne mother and her boyfriend have been convicted of the horrific torture and murder of her 7-year-old daughter, a case that prosecutors say shook us all to our core. Hawthorne, California. In a chilling case of child abuse and murder, a Los Angeles County jury has convicted Ida Helen Brockman and her boyfriend, Malachi Xavier Whalen, for the torture and killing of 7-year-old Amaya D., according to the district attorney's office. The verdict. On Wednesday, jurors found Brockman, 34, and Whalen, 33, guilty of 1 count each of murder, with a special circumstance of intentional torture murder. They were also convicted of 1 count of torture each. In addition, Brockman was convicted of child abuse causing death. Whalen was convicted of assault on a child causing death. The two now face possible life sentences when they are formally sentenced later this year. What happened? The crime occurred on September 9, 2021, inside the couple's Hawthorne home. According to investigators, Amaya endured brutal beatings, torture, and ultimately death, inflicted by her own mother and her mother's boyfriend. Initially, the pair tried to frame Amaya's biological father, but Brockman eventually admitted to concocting the false story. An autopsy by the Los Angeles County Medical Examiner revealed the depth of the abuse. Over 58 separate injuries. Severe burns. Multiple fractured ribs. Blunt force trauma. A collapsed lung. Significant internal injuries. Prosecutors said the level of violence and suffering amounted to prolonged, intentional torture. What they're saying. District Attorney Nathan J. Hochman called the case nothing short of horrific. This was a case that shook us all to our core. The brutal murder of Amaya, a defenseless 7-year-old girl, at the hands of her own mother and her mother's boyfriend is nothing short of horrific, he said. Hochman praised the investigation and legal teams who worked on the case, including Deputy District Attorneys David Ziegelbaum and Kelly Craich, and LASD homicide detectives Matthew Landreth and Frank Heredia. Our office will continue to fight for the most vulnerable among us and do everything within our power to prevent such senseless acts of violence, he added. What's next? Both defendants are scheduled to be sentenced on September 12, when the court will determine the final punishment for their crimes. This case serves as a heartbreaking reminder of the importance of protecting children in our communities. If you have thoughts to share, or if you'd like to honor Amaya's memory, leave a comment below. For more stories like this, and to stay updated on cases that matter, please like, share, and subscribe to California Uncovered. Thanks for watching.